Welcome back. In the last video, we saw how we can prove the distance formula from Pythagoras. In today's video, we will see how we can answer a new question deriving the coordinate of a midpoint. Now, the midpoint is simply the point which is halfway between 2 points. Okay, so let's see how we can derive the coordinates of a midpoint, which is the point between 2 points. So now think of a straight line, something like this. So let's assume we have a straight line like this with points A, which has coordinates. A has coordinate x1 and x2, okay, and B which has points y1 and y2. Okay, now this is a straight line starting from point A to point B. Now what is the halfway between point A to B? The halfway between point A to B will be exactly here, and let's call this point M with coordinates x, y. So how can we get the coordinates of point M? Now, if point is the halfway, the point or the distance, if M is the halfway between the distance AB, then it is logical to say we can have the coordinates of M to be x will be the average of the x coordinates, the x coordinate of the A point plus the x coordinate of the B point, and that is the average of that is going to give you x1 plus y1 on 2. Okay, and do a similar thing for y, and so we have y is equal to x2 plus y2 on 2. Okay, so this is how you can get the coordinates of a point which is halfway between 2 points. Now let's look at a quick example. So for example, let's say we have points A as 2, 3, okay, and B as 8, 7. Now, what will be the midpoint, let's call it M, of the distance AB, which has points this? So, X is going to be, what is X1 is 2, and X2 or Y1 is 8. You do that divided by 2, and that gives you now 2 plus 8 is 10 divided by 2, that gives you 5. Okay, now we'll do that the same for y, and this gives us 3 plus 7 on 2 which is 3 plus 7, that gives us 10. 10 divided by 2 gives us 5. So we now have that our point M being the midpoint between A and B to be 5 and 5. So that's how you can get the coordinates of a midpoint. Simple logic, no cramming. Now we are going to be connecting this to our next video, deriving the equation of a straight line. If this helps you understand, like, share, and comment the Midpoint Master.